Hi everybody, Derek here. Today I have with me these Oral-B brand Glide floss picks with Scope Outlast. It comes with 75 floss picks. This is what the front of the package looks like. It comes with this opening on the bottom so you can see what the actual product looks like. You don't have to just rely on pictures on the plastic. It is a resealable bag, pretty small, but a lot of flossers can fit inside it. On the back, it gives you everything you need to know about the technology of the flossers, how they work, how to use it. All the information you need to know on the bottom. Caution, phone numbers, made in China. Got your QR code right there. And just open up the bag. And this is what the flossers look like. The string in the middle right there does not break. It glides through your teeth easily, no pain. These are single use. After you are done flossing your teeth, you throw one out and you start over. On the other side, it has a pick to pick through your teeth to get all that food out you can't reach. And yeah, just use one or two a day, throw it out when you're done, and just floss on a daily basis. No pain, easy to use. I highly recommend these.